So let me just go ahead and say this now. I'm not gonna win this. I'm not gonna win. I know I'm pretty sure not gonna end up winning this. I just have that feeling deep down in my gut that this is just not gonna happen. I'm gonna lose. But I mean, hey, at least I'm able to give you guys something away. I know you guys, you guys deserve a giveaway. You guys are some freaking awesome supporters with my inconsistency. Like, I was kind of brainstorming ways on how I'm gonna do this video, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna get back on this grind. We're gonna get back on this grind. We need to push these videos out back to back to back. We're gonna do like the top 5 people in this video. Have them battle it out till one wins. If I'm stuck on one, then I'll have you guys vote in the comment section. So you guys might have a big impact in this video. So you guys might want to watch to the end of this video. But I'm gonna show you guys my ways, even though they ain't all that. See the way that my woofing session.
The way that my bank account is set up.
Again, hopefully this kind of motivates you guys to put in some more work, because you guys know that I just said that we gonna have another challenge to where it's like y'all really gonna be battling me. Like I'm actually gonna be like, my ways is like dang near like boom, like. So we're basically, like I said, I'm gonna take off this do-rag, not waste no time, not try to, prolong this situation at all. Just go ahead and unrack for you guys, show you guys what these waves are looking like, so you guys basically know kind of the base of where we're starting at. And if you guys don't got better than ways than me, again, y'all just boot it out. But yeah, let me go ahead and unrack for you guys. I'm not prolonging this at all, not at all.
If you could please hurry the f*** up, it would be greatly appreciated.
Alright, I literally broke all my rules. Literally, all my rules. I always said, make sure your hair is laid. Make sure you got some product in here. Make sure you got a haircut. I wasn't even able to get a haircut, okay? You guys, don't get on me, okay? I was really not even able to get a haircut because, see, the way
my bank account is set up.
Next video, we're going to be coming back even stronger than ever. Again, we're going to be having another challenge like this. But you know what? Let's go ahead and let's get into these DMs because I'm completely just wasting time at this point. If they don't say my ways is better or something that indicates that you want to be in this challenge, I get too many DMs for that. Waiver number 1. Let's get it. Look, we in it already. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. Let's see what you working with. All right. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I don't know if these is videos. Are these videos? Dumbass motherfucker. This one's a video for sure. All right. You shirtless. I don't like that. Ha! Gay! Over here trying to front on these girls that be on this channel too. He over here trying to show off like, ooh, send them my Instagram. Look, I'm hard with these ratings. See how I rated myself? I rated myself a solid 8.5. I ain't even gonna cap with y'all. I'm not digging this area over here. So these ratings is gonna be tough cause you going up against the best. So these ain't gonna be no like regular roasting my subscribers ways ratings, okay? So bro, I'm gonna go ahead and I ain't gonna cap. I'm gonna have to rate you a solid 7.
Denied.
I'm sorry, like we on elite ratings right now. We gonna go ahead and delete that one. Hello. We back in it, all right? I forgot to hit screen record, bro. I hope it wasn't too big of a deal. I kind of got a peek. It was only mostly your forehead, so we cool, okay? Okay. It was mostly your forehead. It wasn't even your waves. Okay. This man he's a real white boy waver. Okay. 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 Look, hey, I ain't even gonna cap. Look, these is elite status ratings right now. We got elite status ratings right now, okay? I'm gonna have to... I ain't trying to be mean, bro. I know your texture. You know, it makes it hard. But you know what? You need to wolf that crown out a little bit so you can get that area going too. It's just mostly like on the side areas. We can't have that. If you want elite status ratings, you gotta live up to that elite status too. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna give you a 5.
Denied.
Let's see it. We looking. Let's see. Yo, you spinning, but you got forks. You got forks, bro. I got forks too. So, you know, I'm gonna put you up there with me. I'm gonna put you. Well, actually, I can't. I gotta see what you looking like all around. because you had some blonde going on. To be honest with me, I'm not a fan of the blonde. That's just me. Got better. See, that's why you gotta keep searching. Okay, let's see what he's working with. Come on, give me something good. Give me something good now. Again, I'm just not a fan of that blonde. I'm looking at your waves. Is you spinning? That's what we care. Is you spinning? You spinning at it like a 7. You spinning at like a 7.5. A 7 and well, nah, cause I see that back. We putting you at an 8.
Denied.
Now we're going to the next one. Next one.
No fish in the sea.
I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm excited. I'm excited to see what my subs is rocking with. You know. Okay, you sent me a picture of the do-rag. I see you spinning through the do-rag is what you're trying to show me. All right. Okay. He's spinning. He's spinning on him. Look, he didn't want to show me that weak side. I see them forks now. I see them forks. I got to give you a 7, bro.
Denied.
My waves is better than yours. We about to see if they is. Nah, they ain't. Nah. 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 Let's see. Nah. Nah. You gotta keep watching them tutorials, bro. I'ma just be like, denied.
Denied.
We looking for that elite. I need them elite waves. People that are gonna beat me. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I need them people that are gonna beat me.
Okay.
My waves is better? We gonna find out. Okay. Okay. I don't think they better, but you spinning. You got them boys laid. You got them boys shining. You got the lighting going on. What, you got a haircut too? Because I know that Lana, I think he got a haircut. It was not that same day haircut, but I ain't going to say you passed. I ain't going to say you passed to the next, to the elite winner round, bro. But definitely at a 7 because you got them boys laid. It's nice. No frizz, no nothing. Them boys is just laid. You just a little forked up.
Denied.
My ways is better.
We gonna find out.
Oh, no haircut. He on the woof. Oh, man. You spinning. You spinning, but should we let him in? Because the crown is... You got a line in your crown. Your connections is better than mine. I'm not even gonna hold you, but your crown is not better than mine. We're gonna put you on the waiting list. We're gonna put you on the waiting list. Alright, here we go. Oh, you sent some pics. He must be confident. Dang. In that video though, where I kind of made this challenge, I was kind of talking about how it hurts us YouTubers. You know, the wave YouTubers, especially when our subscribers' waves are better than ours, and it's hurting. It's hurting. I don't even want to open no more. Kevin period or Kevin point P32, bro. You spinning. You passed. We're looking for my waves are better. All right. Okay. We look like 360 Beehive. Okay. You spinning. You spinning. I'm gonna go ahead. Waiver 10.
You made it to the round.
Passed. You passed, bro. My waves is better.
Let's see if they are.
You got major forks on that left side. I don't know if I want to pass this. He's cutting it close. I'm going to say you didn't make it this time. But, hey, next time I have this challenge, put in some brush work, come back. Because then you're going to be up against me. You're going to be really up against me. Yeah, and I'm going to be ready, too. So you better get that work in, cuz. So we gonna go ahead. I'm going to just give you a rating. I'm going to give you a solid 8.
Denied.
My ways is better. All right, we about to see. Come on. Come on. I want all the smoke.
Kids, don't look into that.
Oh, my gosh. Oh, no, boy. Hey, them way. My goodness. He on to the next round. Go ahead. Put him on the next round. You passed the test. You passed. A+. My ways is better.
We about to see.
Look like he's going for 540s. That left side isn't yet there yet. Crown, he still needs to work on that crown. Thinking about, should I pass him to the round? Yeah, bro. I feel like I'm going to tell you what I told to the other. Hey, come back. Come back. Because, again, we're going to put in this brushwork. And you're going to be facing against me. Because then we got to see who has the better ways. You feel me? We're going to really see who got the better ways. I'm going to give you a solid 8.5.
Denied.
I'm looking for my waves is better. That's all I want to hear. That's all I want to see. We looking. We on the search right now. We on the search right now. I'm not seeing nobody. That's all the people that entered, I think. Guys, I told you. I said the only way you could enter. I'm not being mean. I literally said, I said send the picture first, then the text.
It has to be in my DMs, 360_woods. I want the text to literally say this. I want it to say this exactly, these exact words. My waves are better. That's it, nothing else. You send the picture first. The first thing you send is the picture. The next thing you send is the text.
You guys did the exact opposite. I had to take a break. All I said was, put the picture, put the text. I said it for a reason. That is a lot of work to go through all those DMs. So I'm not gonna do it, okay? Alright, if you did not put, the picture and then the text, I'm sorry, you guys are gonna have to wait till the next one. I'm sorry if you guys did not do that and your waves was dope. But hey, like I told you guys that I'm going to be doing another one. Same giveaway, same all it is. But I told you guys to do it. I posted it over and over numerous times, the rules, what you had to do to answer and different things like that, but you guys didn't do it. It was simple. There are 4 people that passed through the round. Those people are Kevin.P32, Case Matthew _NNAREN, and then UHHHIVAN. I'm gonna go do some reviewing. I'm gonna look back at you guys' waves. We gonna see. If I come back and I have I'm two finalists that I can't decide on, you guys will be the deciding factor. So I'll be back, hopefully with the winner. I did a lot of reviewing, okay? I was really trying to figure out, who really won this challenge. And at the end of the day, it was really hard between 2 people. Those 2 people are Kevin.P32 and _NNAREN. I believe that's how you spell it. So, between Kevin.P32 and _NNAREN, the winner is announced right after this break. No. I'm just playing. The winner here it is. Here's the winner. It was _NNAREN. I said that right. You are the winner, man. Go ahead and DM me so I make sure that you want the brush. But, I told you, you're the winner. But I'm going to have another video like this coming out. Same giveaway, same everything. And basically, we just gonna do, the same thing, kind of like how we did in this video. But you know what? It's cool. Because you know what? Like I said in boxing, you got to give somebody the chance to take the title from you. So, hey, you got to keep brushing. You got to keep brushing because somebody's going to come take that title if you ain't. But, all I really gotta say is, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like the video if you like the video. If you like the video, if you like the video, go drop a comment down below because you guys already know if you guys comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe because we dropping fire videos, literally fire videos just like this one. But hey, it's 360 Woods, and I'm out. Yeah.